James spent 50% of his birthday money on new clothes, 30% of his birthday money on books. The rest he put into savings. And what he put into savings was $150. There we go. The question is, how much money did he get for his birthday? So this has got multiple parts. So 50% went for clothes, 30% went for books. It says the rest went to his savings. Well, what's the rest? The rest is 20%. So 20% went to savings. That was equal to $150. So 20% of his savings was $150. The question is, how much money did he get for his birthday? So let's write that out as a fraction. 20%, 20 over 100, and the 20 is $150. The question is, how much money did he get in total for his birthday? So again, there's not something I can do to 20 easily to make it 150, but I could actually simplify this down. These both divide by 20, so that's 1 over 5. So 1/5 of his money was put into the savings account, and 1/5 was equal to $150. So we need to figure out how much the total amount was. And 1 times 150 is 150. So 5 times 150 is going to be that total amount. And 150 times 5 is going to be $750. So he received $750 for his birthday.